We have to start exercise 12.3. Before this, we have to complete exercise 12.2. Anyone have any doubt in exercise 12.2? Okay, we have to start exercise 12.3. You see that question number 1. One figure given and question say that find the area of the shaded region. Question say that find the area of shaded region. Suppose this is our triangle given. This is our circle given in which O is the center and one triangle also given. This is the diameter and this one card is also there. See that O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. This point is R given. This point is P given. This point is Q given. And this is the shaded region. This is the shaded region of the circle. You see that question tell that find the area of shaded region in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. This figure given in the book. Question say that you see that find the area of shaded region PQ equals to 24 given. Keep silence. When shaded region, area of shaded, you see that if this is the diameter, then this circle divided in two parts. It means if from semicircle area we have to subtract the area of triangle, we have to find the area of shaded region or not. Area of shaded region equals to what? Area of semicircle minus area of the triangle. But how we have to find the area of triangle? You see that length of PQ given. This length of PQ given 24 centimeter and length of PR given 7 centimeter. You know that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. It means angle QPR is a 90 degree. Right angle here. The angle in the semicircle is right angle. This is the right angle. And you see that this 24 given, this is the 7 given. It means OR is the hypotenuse and OR is the hypotenuse, and value of OR we have to calculate. This is the 25 centimeter. Now you see that area of shaded region equals to what? Area of the semicircle pi r square by 2. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2 minus area of right angle triangle. This is the height and this is the base. We have to apply 1 by 2 base into height formula. We have to start solving this question. Anyone have any doubt? Solving the question. Solution. Given. First you to mention given. A circle C with center O comma whose radius is R. Whose radius is R. And you see that value of R we have to also calculate. You see that this is the diameter or not. If we have to calculate the QR, it means this half length is the radius. This half length is the, you see that O is the center of the circle and OR is QR is the diameter, and we have to calculate the QR. This is 25. It means radius is 25 by 2. Given a circle C with center O comma R. From figure. In triangle QPR. In triangle QPR, angle QPR equals to 90 degree. First to show that angle QPR equals to 90 degree. Why? Angle in semicircle. Therefore, you see that QR square equals to what? This is right angle triangle. RP square plus QP square. This will be equals to RP square means 7 square plus 24 square. This 49 plus 576 equals to 625. This implies that QR square equals to 625. 576. This implies that value of QR is only 25. This is the length or radius. QR equals to 25. This you are correct, that plus minus 25, but here this is the length, only you have to mention 25. QR equals to 25. This implies that value of R, QR is the diameter or not? O is the center. It means value of R equals to 25 by 2. This is easy for the calculation. What would mention? This implies the value of R equals to 25 by 2 centimeter. Till here anyone have any problem? Now we have to mention area of shaded region. What we want to calculate? Area of shaded region. And area of shaded region equals to what? Area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR or QPR. Till here anyone have any problem? Area of semicircle is, what is the formula? Pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2 minus area of triangle PQR, and triangle PQR is right angle triangle, and area of right angle triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. You see that this RP is a perpendicular or not? It means RP is the height, and value of RP given 7 centimeter, and perpendicular length given 24, minus 1 by 2 into base into height. See that we have to put the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2, this divided by 2. Till here anyone have any problem? You see that pi by 2, 22 by 7 divided by 2 by 1, it means 7 into 2, 14, into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 7 into height 24. This value 7 into 12. This value is 84. You have to calculate this value. 22 into 25 into 25. 22 into 25 into 25 divided by 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Wait. Minus 84. Minus 84. Till here anyone have a problem? 25 square 625. 2 this divided 11. It means remains value equals to what? 11 into 625 divided by 7 into 4. 7 4 is 28 minus 84 minus 84. If you want, then take the LCM as 28. LCM is 28, remains value 11 into 625 minus 84 into this 28. This is the answer. 4543 divided by 28 is the answer. This is the answer. See that. Calculations are there. Achha, you see that if any digit given, suppose anyone say that you have to find these squares. You see that 55 square, 95 square, 75 square, 85 square. You see that how we have to calculate this type of the square. You see that 5 square, first we have to multiply. This is 25, and 5 into next digit, 5 into 6, 5 6 is 30. This is 3025. We have to solve question number 2, and question number 14 is homework. Both are the same question. Question 2 and question number 14. Write down your homework. Question number 14. First we have to solve the question number 2, and question 4 and question number 2 both are 14 and question number 2 both are the same question. You see that in question number 2, 2 concentric circles are given. Concentric means both have the same center, or center, both have the same center but radius are different. You see that find the area of shaded region in the figure if radii of 2 concentric circle with center O are 7 and 14. You see that suppose this and this given, question have asked, this is the shaded region. This is our shaded region. Question have asked that what is the area of the shaded region. You see that one angle also given 40 degree. You see that O, A, B points are given, C and D. Question about what is the area of the shaded. You see that we have two triangles, one OBD and one OAC. It means we have two sector area. How many sector area? It means it from, if we want to calculate shaded region, it means from sector area AOC we have to subtract the sector area of OBD. This is the shaded region. And you see that this radius given 7 centimeter and this radius given 14 centimeter. How you have to calculate? That you have to mention solution 2. From figure, what you have to mention? From figure, area of shaded region. What you have to mention? Area of shaded region. Region equals to the area of sector. Area of sector OAC. What you have to mention? Area of sector OAC minus area of sector OBD. Only difference of their radius and area of sector we know that pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Suppose this is the R1 minus pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Suppose this is the R2. Both have the same theta. And you see that we have to common out pi theta upon 360. We have to common out. Remains value R1. It means this greater length is R1. 14 square minus 7 square. Now we have to put the value. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of theta is 40 upon 0 0 4 9 ja 36 multiplied by 14 square 196 minus 49 147 it is 147 divided by 7 7 2 ja 40 and 7 this is 1. Remains value 22 into 21 divided by 9. 3 7 ja 3 3 ja 9. 154 upon 3 centimeter. Don't only leave it here. 154 by 3 centimeter square. In this question, anyone have doubts? You see that you have two circles given, which are the concentric. These two circles are concentric. Question have asked about what is the area of this shaded region. It means area of shaded region equals to what? Area of sector OAC. It means and minus area of sector OBD. Question number 14, like same, you are able to see the question number 14. In this question number 3, you see that question of find the area of shaded region. Again, question asks that find the area of shaded region. You see the figure. You see that there are two semicircles are given. In this if this type of the question given, they always figure they are given. You see that there are two semicircles given in the figure and one is square given. You see that find the area of the shaded region if ABCD is a square is side 14 centimeter. It means each side is, if this is a square, means each sides are equal and one side length is given 14. It means each sides are 14 centimeter. We want to calculate the area of shaded region. You see that first we have to calculate the total area of the square. 14 into 14, you know that 14 into 14 196 minus if we have to subtract the area of two semicircles minus 2 pi r square. 2 into pi r square. It means 2 into pi r square divided by 2. It means only have to subtract pi r square. Okay. Write the solution. Given ABCD is a square whose sides are 14 centimeter. Therefore, area of shaded region, area of shaded region equals to area of square minus area of two semicircle. What did you mention? Area of two semicircles. Achha, you see that there are no any idea given about the radius. It means the half of the, because you see that if this is the circle and this total length is the same, it means the center lie on this line or not. It means this is the diameter for the circle. It means radius equals to 7 centimeter. If there are any square given and in this square we have to draw the circle, it means half length of the square is the radius of circle. And you know that area of square is side square, a square minus area of, you see that if we have to draw the complete circle, it means this is the diameter of the circle or not. And if this is the diameter of the circle, it means radius is the half of diameter. It means a square minus 2 into pi r square by 2 and 2 cancel out, and value of a is 14 square minus 22 by 7 into value of r 7 into 7 cancel out, 144, 14 square 196 minus 154, 42 is the answer. 42 centimeter square, this is the area.